Error 0x80070422. The Windows Update service is disabled on your system. Don't worry. Here are 6 proven solutions to fix it right now.
Solution 1. Re-enable the Windows Update service. Press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Windows Update in the list. Double-click it. Change startup type to automatic, then click Start. The most common cause of this error is the service being manually disabled, often by optimization tools or accidental changes. Also check that bits and cryptographic services are running. They are required dependencies for Windows Update to function.
Solution 2. Fix the Windows Update Medic service via Registry. If the service keeps getting disabled, the Medic service is the culprit. Open Registry Editor. Navigate to HKU Local Camerid, System, Current Control Set, Services, wuauserv. Find the start value. Change it from 4, which means disabled, to 3 for manual or 2 for automatic. This service protects Windows Update settings from being changed. When its registry key is corrupted, Windows Update breaks repeatedly.
Solution 3. Run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. The Troubleshooter automatically detects and re-enables disabled services. This is the easiest fix. No technical knowledge required.
Solution 4. Reset all Windows Update components via Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as administrator. First, stop all update services with net stop commands. Then rename the software distribution and catroot2 folders to clear corrupted update cache. Restart all services with net start commands. This completely refreshes the update system from scratch. Corrupted cache files are a frequent cause of persistent update failures.
Solution 5. Repair corrupted system files. Run DISM with the Restore Health option to repair the Windows image. Then run sfc/scano to scan and replace damaged system files. Both commands require administrator privileges and an internet connection. Damaged system DLLs can prevent the Windows Update service from starting properly.
Solution 6. Check Group Policy Settings. Open gpedit.msc, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Make sure Configure Automatic Updates is set to Not Configured or Enabled, Never Disabled. For Windows Home users, open Registry Editor and go to HKLM, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, Windows Update. Set No Auto Update to 0. Group policy blocks are common in enterprise environments.
To prevent this error from happening again, never disable Windows Update services manually. Configure your antivirus to allow Windows Update connections. Clear the update cache monthly by renaming the software distribution folder. Run sfc/scanow every few months to catch corrupted files early. And avoid third-party tools that claim to disable Windows Update. They often break the Medic service and cause this exact error.
That is it. Error 0x80070422 is now fixed. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Check the description for links to all the commands and registry files mentioned. Thanks for watching.